Welcome to Sasta Bazar Sales and Service. We offer repair of LED TV in Mumbai for Sony, Panasonic, and Samsung and LG. All problems. As a business policy, we ensure that only genuine spare parts are used in the repair services. Some of the issues in an LED, we are expert in solutions. Panel issue. No picture, but sound okay. No sound, picture okay. No power. Front LED blinking. Vertical lines on screen. Intermittent power trip. Some of the HDMI connections not working. Call Sasta Bazar LED TV Sale and Servic 992 071 4044.